We got some old railroad ties sitting over here. Just across from the CSX office. Back here, there's 3 old semi-trailers back here. Yeah, check out these old ties here, yep. They've seen better days, no doubt about it. We're over here on Maple, and I've got a train getting ready to come through here. Looks like it might be a Union Pacific. Some old railroad ties that's been taken out. We got some over here as well. These are just across from the CSX office. Gates are down here on Maple. It looks like we're going to start with a single unit and with a DPU. New paint scheme. Have a meetup. Looks like we're going to have UP, and it looks like we're going to have the intermodal coming through here. I thought he was going awful slow. Well, they're honking at each other. I am getting ready to come through here. coming up. Goes. We have a westbound intermodal, eastbound manifest. Always love to get those meetups, and that's the second meetup. I got a meetup last night. New Union Pacific paint scheme coming through. And what else did I get? Oh yeah, that CSX grain train. New unit on the it's either a new unit or it was a repaint, one of the two. But anyways, we lucked out. So alright guys, we'll check you on the next video, and thanks for watching. Alright guys, we are back over here at 140.60, and we have a train, another intermodal coming on the way. Let's take a look. He's coming. Ever so slowly. Wow. He must be letting that other intermodal get down the line. More long railroad ties. Those look in better shape than the ones over here on Maple. Wow, this guy's crawling. Old faded Union Pacific. $65.79. And we got a CP. $89.03. I'm almost keep up with him. Slow as he's going. He's gonna stall out. No better place to catch trains than right here in Effingham. Yep, they're stopping. He's getting off. They may be doing a crew change. I seen Holocone over here. Someone jumped off that Union Pacific. Oh,
Now he's picking up some speed. He dropped this guy off over here. That's why he was going so slow. And he got in his car and took off. So, alright guys. Canadian Pacific on there. We'll check you on the next video.
Well, Jeff brought it to my attention. We have a fatality over here. This possum was killed. Oh my gosh, cut him right in half. Wow. The buzzards have been coming around. Dang. Must have been sometime at night. They don't see real good. Must not be able to hear very well either. Wow. Dang, that's bad. Oh my gosh. All right, Thursday action up here at the Amtrak station. We got a northbound train getting ready to roll through here. Canadian National. The detectors went off for CSX, so there will be a CSX in town here before too long. So, anyways, let's take a look and see what we got. Well, here he comes. I thought we might have had a green light on that north end of town.
westbound, guys. Of Wisconsin Central on there. Herzog car, single Herzog car on there, and those auto racks were loaded. All right, we're gonna check and see if we can get CSX running through here. I said the detectors went off on this truck over here, so I know there's one in town somewhere, right? Oh, yep, actually. Jeff's pointing this way. Let's see if we can zoom in down there. Yep, we got one coming on the siding. Gondolas have been down there. Work equipment's been down there for 10 days. And I think they're using them to fill up. I'll have to look in there. I know they were using those high gondolas to fill up some of those railroad ties down there, taking them back to Avon. But they must be doing some work on the west side of town or something. But anyways, we got a train coming. We'll catch him when he gets here, guys. Stay tuned. CSX action coming up.